Hi, I'm Kate Penny Howard, and I'd like to tell you about the Great Appalachian Storm of 1950. The day after Thanksgiving 1950, families across the eastern United States were settling into their holiday weekend when meteorologists began tracking an ominous weather system. What developed over the next 48 hours would become known as the Big Appalachian Storm or the Great Thanksgiving Storm, a tempest so powerful that it would rewrite the record books across multiple states. Beginning November 24th, two low-pressure systems merged over the Carolinas, creating a meteorological monster. The storm tracked northward across the Appalachian Mountains, and the combination of Atlantic moisture and Arctic air and mountainous terrain produced snowfall of almost incomprehensible magnitude. Parts of West Virginia received over 60 inches of snow. I'm pretty tall, and I'm 66 inches. Mount Mitchell, North Carolina, recorded 50 inches. The storm dumped heavy snow from Alabama to Maine, with 22 states reporting significant accumulation. But snow was only part of the story. Hurricane force winds accompanied the precipitation, with gusts exceeding 100 miles per hour along the mountain ridges. These winds created drifts 20 to 30 feet high, burying homes to their roof lines or completely, and making roads completely impassable. The wind chill drove temperatures to life-threatening levels. In Pittsburgh, winds reached 82 miles an hour, and in Concord, New Hampshire, sustained winds of 110 miles per hour were recorded. That's a Category 3 hurricane wind speed. Ohio was particularly hard hit, with 78 people killed in that state alone, many of them trapped in their cars or on impassable highways. The Ohio Turnpike, which had only opened 2 months earlier, became a frozen parking lot with hundreds of vehicles stranded. Some motorists abandoned their cars and attempted to walk to safety, only to freeze to death within sight of shelter. Rescue attempts were hampered by the fact that emergency vehicles couldn't navigate the roads. The storm killed at least 353 people across the eastern United States, with economic losses estimated at $66.7 million. That's about $850 million today. Entire communities were cut off from the outside world for over a week, and in some Appalachian valleys, families went without food, medicine, or heat for days. The National Guard was mobilized across multiple states, but even military vehicles struggled to move through the deep snow and the massive drifts. President Harry Truman declared the storm a national emergency, authorizing federal disaster relief, which was one of the first times that such assistance had been deployed for a winter storm. This marked a turning point in how the federal government responded to national disasters. The meteorological community were stunned by the storm's intensity. The data collected led to fundamental advances in understanding nor'easters and how mountain geography influences storm development. And the storm also revealed serious gaps in emergency preparedness and interstate coordination during disasters, which led to improved communication systems and emergency management protocols.